Friends, in the last decade, India has been going through a rapid transformation that is powered by technology. From creating the world's largest digital identity system to the world's largest digital payment platforms. We are using technology at a massive scale for financial inclusion, education, telemedicine, agriculture, and more. Consider digital payments. Because of our Unified Payments Interface or UPI, half of the world's real-time digital transactions happen in India today. You can now use UPI in France too, at the Eiffel Tower or the Paris airport. We have several examples of such world-class digital public goods. DigiLocker is one of the world's largest digital document wallets. Through DigiLocker, 700 million users are able to access authentic documents from the original source, anytime, anywhere. We have onboarded over 2,000 standard documents on the DigiLocker platform. We do not need to store and search for physical documents in India anymore, such as your driving license or vehicle registration certificate. Another example is the Gati Shakti platform. Thanks to technology, we have integrated more than 1,600 geographic data layers on a single GI-based map. We have created an integrated, data-driven, whole of government planning platform for infrastructure. Now, project surveys that used to take many months can happen in a few weeks. Friends, 6 years ago, we launched the Swamitva program, a powerful example of technology delivering dignity and economic security. Swamitva combines drones, geospatial mapping, and modern survey technology to provide property records to rural households. Over 31 million property cards have been prepared in almost 200,000 villages. This is helping families to use their property as financial assets. And while the government delivers public good at a scale, our startups are transforming human lives in every sector. Friends, an AI application called Sarlaben speaks to millions of women dairy farmers in their own language giving expert guidance on livestock health and management. Indian women are being trained as a drone pilots for spraying fertilizer and crop monitoring. Satellite data is guiding hundreds of thousands of fishermen to the most promising fishing zones, helping them save fuel, reduce time, and improve catch. Our technology solutions are delivering prosperity at the grassroots level.